Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel WA Electronics. Today, we're exploring the Aneng 683 Smart Multimeter, a high-end tool packed with features. Let's unbox it, put it to the test, and see what makes it stand out. The Aneng 683 comes with everything you need: a carrying case for portability, a sleek multimeter, durable probes, a USB charging cable, a temperature sensing probes, and a detailed user manual. This multimeter probes feature sharp needle tips, ideal for testing SMD components with precision. The wires are crafted from high-quality, heat-resistant material, ensuring durability and flexibility. Its compact design and premium build are apparent right out of the box. High-capacity rechargeable battery, 3.7 volts and 2,800 milliamp hours. LCD screen with 6,000 counts and analog bar display. This multimeter features a touchscreen interface with automatic detection and measurement. Whether you're testing AC/DC voltage, resistance, or continuity, it simplifies the process by eliminating the need for manual adjustments. Its 6,000 count LCD screen ensures precise readings, and it even includes advanced functions like NCV non-contact voltage, a built-in torch, and a buzzer for added convenience. DC voltage, up to 1,000 volts. AC voltage, up to 750 volts. Resistance, up to 60 megohms. Capacitance, up to 100 microfarads. Temperature, measurement, available. Diode test, continuity, data. Hold, yes, available. Let's start by testing AC voltage. Connect the probes to a household supply breaker, and the multimeter automatically detects the voltage. It provides accurate readings up to 750 volts AC with stable performance. Next, let's measure DC voltage. Here, we're testing a 9-volt battery. The multimeter effortlessly handles voltages up to 1,000 volts DC, providing precise results for both small and high-voltage applications. Now, let's test resistance. Using a standard 54 and 10 kilo ohm resistors, the Aneng 683 measures up to 60 mega ohms, making it suitable for various applications. This also helps diagnose faults in electrical devices like appliances. The continuity test is perfect for checking electrical connections. When the circuit is complete, the multimeter emits a clear beep, confirming continuity. It's quick and efficient for troubleshooting. Moving on to capacitance measurement, this multimeter can measure up to 100 millifarad. Simply connect the probes to a capacitor, and it displays the value within seconds. Ideal for electronics enthusiasts and professionals. The diode test is another valuable feature. Connect the probes to a diode, and the multimeter shows the forward voltage drop, helping you verify if the diode is functioning properly. Next, the live phase detection test. Touch the probe to a live wire, and the meter accurately identifies the live phase, ensuring safe operation. The non-contact voltage, NCV function allows you to detect live wires safely. As you bring the multimeter close to a live wire, it alerts you with both a visual and audible signal, ensuring safety during testing. To measure temperature using a multimeter, connect the thermocouple probes to the appropriate input ports on the device. Switch the multimeter to the temperature measurement mode. Place the thermocouple sensor on the hot or cold surface whose temperature you want to measure. The multimeter will then display the precise temperature reading on its screen. The Aneng 683 is built for reliability with a sturdy design and ergonomic grip. Its 2,800 milliamp-hour rechargeable battery ensures extended usage, and the automatic power-off feature conserves battery life when not in use. The Aneng 683 features a data hold function, allowing you to freeze the screen reading with a simple press of the hold button. Additionally, it comes with a built-in torch light at the top, making it a handy tool for working in low light or dark environments. Here's a quick breakdown of the pros and cons. Pros: wide range of measurements and features, intuitive touchscreen interface, accurate and stable readings, rechargeable battery with long life. Cons: touch interface may take time to adjust for traditional users. The Aneng 683 Smart Multimeter offers precision, innovation, and convenience, making it ideal for professionals and hobbyists. With its wide range of features and accurate measurements, it's a valuable addition to any toolkit. If you're looking for a reliable modern multimeter, this is definitely worth considering. Check out the buying link in the description below to get your hands on the Aneng 683 Smart Multimeter. Thanks for watching. If this review was helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more content, and let us know your thoughts in the comments. See you next time.